Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter that is place values. The lessons we're going to cover today are place value models, tens and ones, regrouping tens and ones, convert 2 from a number up to hundreds, convert between place values up to thousands. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we're on right now is place values. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is place value models, tens and ones. Which place value model shows 96? Let's just start with the test question, right? You're not given with the options here. So, which number is shown? Let's just understand the model first, right? This line has 10 small boxes. So one line represents 10, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So that these 5 lines represent 50. And you have 3 ones. So 50 plus makes 53. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 53. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is which model represents 84, which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So 8 tens and 4 ones makes 84 is the correct option. Which number is shown, which is the correct option? This model represents 100, right? You have 10 rows and 10 columns, so that represents 100. The correct option is 100. Which place value model shows 17, which is the correct option? Basically, 17 means you have 1 10 and 7 ones, right? So option number 2 is the correct option. You have 1 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 ones. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 tens and 7 ones. Number 2 is the correct option. Which number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have 7 tens and 4 ones. The correct option is 74. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Which place value model shows 48? So which is the correct option? 48 means you have and 8 ones. So which is the correct option? That is 48. Option number 1 is the correct option. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? <clears throat> 49. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which place value model shows 4? So which is the correct option? That is 2 is the correct option, right? This is the one that represents 64. Which number is shown? Which is the correct option? That is 73. The model represents 73, right? Which place value model shows 96? Which is the correct option? Option 2 is the correct option, right? Here is 96. 9 ones and 9 tens and 6 ones makes 96. Okay. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? 76. It is right. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. What's wrong with you guys? You guys learn. So why don't you focus on the learning only? Do not share your usernames for the games here. That is regroup in tens and ones. You have 889 is 8 nines plus, sorry, 8 tens plus 9 ones. 89 is 8 tens and 9 ones. Way to make 89, you need to find another way, right? To make 89. So you're not given with the options here, right? Let's just start with the test questions. 25 is plus 5 ones, which is another way to make 25. So the one way to make 25 is you have two tens and 5 ones, right? You need to find the other way to make 25. So the other way to make 25 is 1 tens plus 15 ones, right? You have 1 tens and 15 ones. That is the correct option. When you add 110 and 15 ones, that is 5 and 1 plus 1 makes 2. So that is 25, because this one is also at the tens position, right? You add ones to ones and tens to tens. So when you add them, they makes 25. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Look, you have need to make 25, right? You have to, the correct option is 1 tens and 15 ones. How? You have 1 tens and 15 ones. So look at this 15. This is the one that is at the tens position, right? Now 15 ones, 5 is at the ones position and 1 is at the tens position. You always add tens to tens and ones to ones. So when you add them, they makes 25. Got it? The correct option is 1 tens and 15 ones. 43 is 4 tens plus 3 ones. There's another way to make 43, which is the correct option. The correct option is three tens and 13 ones, right? Three tens and 13 ones. You have three at the tens position and 13 ones. In ones, you have three is at the ones position and one is at the 10. When you add, they makes 43. So the correct option is three tens and 13 ones. Option number three is the correct option. 88 is 8 tens plus 8 ones, which is another way to make 88. So which is the correct option? Option number one is the correct option. That is 7 tens and 18 ones is the correct option. That is option number one. 30 is 3 tens plus 0 ones. So with another way to make 30, which is the correct option? That is 2 tens and 10 ones. The correct option is option number two is the correct option. 2 tens and 10 ones. I will block whoever is here to. I will block you all, right? You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. Stop sharing your usernames from the games here, right? 92 is 9 tens plus 2 ones, which is another way to make 92, which is the correct option. Ninety-two is 9 tens and 2 ones, which is another way to make 92. So which is the correct option? That is 8 tens plus 12 ones is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is convert 2 from a number up to hundreds. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, so type the missing number. You have 804. So just remember the place value. The right most digit is at the ones position. The next on the left is 10 and then you have 100. So you have 804 means it is at the hundreds position. 0 is at the tens position and 4 is at the ones position. That is 8 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 4 ones. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number 963. So option which digit is at the hundreds, tens and ones position. The correct option is 9 hundreds. You have 6 tens and 3 ones. So that is 900, 6 tens and 3 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 832. So which is Jen? That is 8 hundreds. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 ones is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 9 hundreds, 5 tens and 3 ones. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 hundreds, 5 tens and 3 ones. Which digit they make? That is 953. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is 953. Type the missing number 100 plus ones. So which is the correct option? You are not given the ones here, right? The rightmost digit is always the ones digit. You cannot have any digit without ones. So if you are not given with the ones, that means the ones is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. 104 tens means 148 is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? That is 104. Number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number 915. So which digit is at the hundreds, tens and ones? Very good. That is 900s, 110s, and 5 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing 767. So, which is the correct option? So, which is the correct option? That's option number 3, 700, 6 tens, and 7 ones. Option number 3 is the correct option. Type the missing number 107, which is the correct option. That is 100, 7 tens, and 9 ones. The correct option is 100, 7 tens, and 9 ones is the correct option. Type the missing number 992. So, which is the correct option? That is 900, 9 tens, and 2 ones is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 900s plus 4 tens plus 4 ones. Is the correct option. That is 940, right? Option number C is the correct option. Type the missing number 333. So, which is the correct option? That is 3 hundreds, 3 tens, and 3 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is Convert between place values up to 2000. So let's just start with the next lesson. How many hundreds do you have in 80 tens? So in 100 you have 10 tens, right? So 80 10 means you have count by tens, so that is 8 hundreds. The correct option is 8 hundreds, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 800. How many tens do you have? 800s. In 100 you have 10 tens. So in 800s how many tens do you have? 800s equals 80 tens. The correct option is 80. Okay, 60 ones equal how many tens? That is 6 tens, right? 60 ones means you have 6 tens. So the correct option is 6 tens. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 4000s equal how many tens? Which is the correct option? You have 4000s, right? So in 1000 you have 100 tens. So that is 4000s, then that means you have 400 tens. The correct option is 400. 900 equal how many ones? That is 900 ones. The correct option is 900 ones. 3000 ones equal how many thousands? 3000 ones equal. That is 3000. Option number 1 is the correct option. Hundreds equal how many tens? That is 50 tens. Option number 2 is the correct option. 40 ones equal tens. 40 ones equal 4 tens. The correct option is 4. That is 1000 equal 1000 ones. 1000 equal how many ones? 1000 equal 1000 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. How many thousands equals 700 tens? So which is the correct option? 700 tens equal 7000s. The correct option is 7000. 50 hundreds equal how many thousands? That is 5. The number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is place values. The lessons we have covered today are place value models, tens and ones, regrouping, tens and ones, convert to from and number up to hundreds, convert between place values up to thousands. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either if you can ask question if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.